Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be making a custom spread for Jenny. Jenny, thank you for being a patron this month. Now she requested a horizontal spread featuring the stickers that my sister designed for my Patreon. These are exclusive stickers and usually I send these out as a physical copy and then also a digital copy. To big patrons and up, and then all patrons get like a little sampler, like a couple of the stickers as a download. So yeah, that's on my Patreon if you're interested. But yeah, I love the stickers that my sister created for this month. It's really, really pretty, very all the spring vibes on this one. So I'm going to use these and have some boxes and other books I'm going to pull into. But yeah, I'm excited to use these because they're so pretty and my sister did an amazing job making these. So yeah, love them. So I'm just gonna put down the stickers. And Jenny uses this as a memory journaling planner. So I used to use this for journaling as well, which I really liked. Okay, I'm going to do those little trails that I like to do here. It's always one of my favorite things to add to a spread that has butterflies in it. Super simple. And then I'm wondering, I think this will fit. Yeah. Cute. All right, so that's pretty. And then moving up. Oh, let me grab the boxes actually. So I think I want to use this color is really pretty. I have tons of this. And then also I have these like fun scalloped boxes. Maybe I'll use some of these. Let me do that actually. These are from Jojo. She's got amazing stickers. I don't know if these are still available, but you know, definitely check out her site and give her a follow. Just gonna put some flowers and more butterflies, of course. Okay, so we'll put this one here. And then, oh, I want to bring in, this book has been one of my new favorites because it's got lots of great quotes and yeah, just really good. I love these word stickers. These are great. Yeah, lots of nice stickers to use. So I think in here I'm just going to grab like some quote kind of stickers. Like I love these big words. So we'll do inspire. Pull it off. There it goes. Okay, so I got inspire. Just like to have like nice quotes around the spread. And I'm gonna grab some blue boxes. I'm just gonna do like similar color, but scalloped and regular boxes. I think that'll be a nice combo. I've never done that combo, so yeah, I think it'll be nice. So put a box here, layered, and then let me grab a butterfly or maybe a dragonfly. I think I have a little one. I have this little one. Let's see. Oh, it didn't cut it very nicely. So I will have to fix that. Okay, that's okay, I will fix it. I'm just gonna put this here. Yeah, this one messed up. I noticed it had messed up when I cut it. Oh, I was trying to pull this piece off. And then I can try to piece this back together. Okay. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, that'll have to do like that. Draw a little trail, little loop-de-loop, kind of going up and off the page. Alrighty, that looks good there. Let's do some more boxes. Let's do a couple of small boxes. And then a scallopy box. It's like a little skinny one. Okay, more flowers. Let's see where I can add some more flowers. I really love these purple ones. Actually, let me cut this off. Okay, that works. Okay, cool. Let's see, maybe one more flower. You know what, actually I'm gonna do the other side first and then I'll come back to more flowers. Okay, come back to this side of the page in a bit. Move on to this side. Let's do another scalloped box because I know I got tons of scalloped boxes in here. Can I do... Let's get a flower. I really love this one too. The color is just so nice and like vibrant. Can do it kind of layered. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna put this here. Okay. Let me get another box. Oops. Books are about to fall off of the table. Alright, and then a butterfly. Do a cute little butterfly. Of course, gotta do the little trail bits. Okay, let's do a word. I like this dream. Okay, let's do a pink flower. Oh, I gotta do some of these. This one says spread your wings and fly. Do that here. And let's do this one. Actually, I kind of like this like blue color, just to get a different color on the page. A little pop of color. just stick this one over here. Wait, do I want it there? Kind of want it here. Okay, and I can do, oh, I didn't do a dragonfly on this side. And then I have this quote: "The first blooms of spring always make my heart sing." Let's do that here. Okay, so let me add some more boxes. Oh, and I really want to add this somewhere. So like I said, I like this purple one. Well, I like them all. I just really like these purple ones. Maybe here. Oops. Okay, so I just have to repunch those holes. Okay, and I need I want to get this guy on the page too. If I can fit him. We shall see. I could do it here. Okay, boxes. So I'm gonna grab some of these little scallopy ones, place them around in a couple places. Do a little one here, and I feel like I need something here. I wonder if I think I have bullet points. Okay, I'll grab bullet points from here. Okay, got lots of bullet points. Could do a couple here. And I'll do a couple over here too. Cool. Let's see. I want to add just some like finishing touches kind of stuff. So maybe like some, well, these just are not the right color. Yeah, and there's like orange. I don't want to bring an orange to this spread. Okay. Let me see. I could bring in some washi. Yeah, I might bring in some washi. I'm gonna bring in purple actually, like this light purple. We'll see see how this looks, if this works. And I want to cover up this gray line. It just darkens the purple up a little bit. So I don't know. See if that works. Kinda. Okay, I guess I'm going over some of these lines. Okay, we'll go over this one. Oops. No. The washi stuck to it. That's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go there because I don't want to interfere with that line. And then here. Oops. Just gonna put a little bit over here. Okay. I just feel like over here it's still empty. So, what can I put there? Let me find another book. I mean, I could add in a couple more butterflies. Actually, let's see. There's so many on this side, but I don't know. We'll see. I think it's a little overload if I do this. Yeah, it's like too jam-packed over there. I feel like here is not bad. Okay, that one's fine. It's just this part that's kind of throwing me off. Okay, figure something out. We'll figure something out. Oh, I know. I could throw like a... maybe another, honestly, I think it looks good. Now that I'm looking at it, I think this is good. All right, I think that's it. So that's gonna be my spread for Jennie. Jennie, thank you so much again for being a patron and requesting to use the stickers that my sister designed, because I absolutely love them this month. I love them all the time, but I think she did an amazing job this time around. Or again, she always does an amazing job. It's just, yeah, she always impresses me every month, so I'm always amazed by it. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.